Welcome to Paris, the capital of France, is famous for its iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre, and Notre-Dame Cathedral. Known as a global center for art, fashion, and cuisine, the city offers a rich blend of historic charm and modern elegance, from the lively Champs-Élysées to the bohemian Montmartre and trendy Le Marais. Paris captivates visitors with its diverse attractions and enchanting ambiance. Follow us as we guide you through the finest places in Paris. The iconic Eiffel Tower. Designed by Gustave Eiffel, this majestic iron structure rises high above the city, offering breathtaking views from its 3 observation decks. You can admire its beauty from the ground or ascend to the top for an unforgettable experience. The first level is accessible for approximately $4, the second level for about $8, and the top for around $13, providing a view from 276 meters above the ground. Enjoy a meal at one of the tower's restaurants or a glass of champagne at the bar as you take in the spectacular panorama. The Champs-Élysées is Paris's most famous boulevard and a shopper's paradise. Here you'll find luxury boutiques, cinemas, and cozy cafes that attract both Parisians and tourists. This lively street stretches from Place de la Concorde to the impressive Arc de Triomphe. A stroll along this avenue offers the opportunity to explore products from many renowned French brands. You will find luxury brands like Chanel, Cartier, and Dior. Additionally, there are cozy cafes and restaurants where you can relax and enjoy the vibrant atmosphere. Montmartre and Sacré-Cœur. The neighborhoods around Montmartre are filled with artistic atmosphere and charming cafes. At the top of the hill stands the beautiful Sacré-Cœur Basilica, offering a fantastic panoramic view of Paris. Explore the narrow streets where famous artists like Picasso and Van Gogh once lived and worked. To reach the basilica, you can choose to walk up by the steps, take a minibus, or ride the Montmartre funicular, which takes you to the top in about 1.5 minutes. You can also enjoy a guided tour for around $40. The Seine River is a central and scenic spot to enjoy the essence of Paris. Whether you're taking a leisurely stroll, a boat ride, or simply relaxing by the water. Flowing through the heart of Paris, the Seine offers a picturesque backdrop as it meanders past iconic landmarks like Notre-Dame Cathedral and the Eiffel Tower. The riverbanks provide beautiful pathways for walking and jogging, with many popular routes near central Paris. Exploring these scenic paths can take about 1 hour and 30 minutes. The best time to visit is from April to October when the weather's pleasant. Dogs are welcome along the riverbanks but must be kept. The Bastille Area is known for its vibrant nightlife with numerous bars, clubs, and live music venues. This district, centered around Place de la Bastille, is a popular spot to experience Paris's nocturnal energy. The area buzzes with creativity, evident in the shops and artist studios lining its streets. Galeries Lafayette is a luxurious department store offering everything from designer clothes to gourmet food. The stunning rooftop terrace is one of its highlights, with a magnificent view of the Paris skyline. This shopping paradise includes stores like Armani, Balenciaga, Chanel, and Louis Vuitton. For those eager to shop and curious about exciting stores, Galeries Lafayette is a must-visit. The Louvre is the world's largest and most visited art museum, famous for its amazing collections, including the Mona Lisa and the Venus de Milo. This former palace holds art from ancient times to the 19th century and is a must-see for art enthusiasts. Notre-Dame Cathedral is one of the most famous Gothic cathedrals in the world. Despite undergoing renovations after the devastating fire in 2019, this historically and architecturally significant site continues to fascinate visitors with its grand facade and rich history. Notre Dame, located on Ile de la Cité in the Seine River, is over 800 years old. The Le Marais is a trendy area known for its cool shops, small galleries, and stylish restaurants. This historic district, spanning the 3rd and 4th arrondissements, has a rich Jewish history and is also home to the famous Picasso Museum. Stroll along the picturesque streets and discover everything from vintage shops to contemporary art galleries. Jardin des Tuileries is a beautifully designed public park located near the Louvre. Created by the renowned landscape architect André Lenotre, this elegant green space offers a tranquil retreat in the heart of Paris. Visitors can enjoy leisurely walks or relaxing picnics amid its charming fountains, classical sculptures, and well-maintained gardens. The park is open throughout the year and is a popular destination, particularly on sunny afternoons when its peaceful ambiance attracts many locals and tourists alike. Thanks for watching our video on the amazing city of Paris. We hope you found some inspiration and maybe added a few new places to your travel list. For more detailed information and tips, check out our website linked in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel content and adventures. See you in the next video, and until then, have a wonderful day and take care.